So yeah, it is weird, even though I know I can talk to myself, but I can feel like I'm not talking to my real self. Like I'm not the same person. I don't know. I just feel like I have multiple personalities inside of me. Like for 1 second I can just like what? Or in 1 second I'll be like uh, uh, you know, you know, that's me. So I'm taking this for my health. How can you see this? There. That is my medication to help my body and my mind and my soul. You know, good stuff. Good stuff here. This is all pure, majestic vitamin C. Ha! It's only vitamin C, guys. So I might just have to drink another one. I might just have to drink another one of these. Another one of these. Yeah, vitamin C. It tastes good. It's sour, sweet, and nothing else. Just that you can try. This is obviously recommended by everyone, professionals, and your mom, your dad, everyone, even though your enemies. Vitamin C, yeah, good for your health. See you guys on my next video. Ha 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 ha.